Hey everyone, another tech info from ComputerChick Productions. So I was going through my analytics today, and there's a comment from Mr. Logan, because the other account probably got blocked. Well, on further investigation of this channel, no videos, if you go into the about, like somebody's U-bot leave, everybody's, you know, I like the wrong one, but he's changing MMOs to where he's in the United Kingdom. But on further investigation of this website, and I'm going to pull up some information here, it's a redirect, because I copied and pasted to a freesubscribers.com. So, on that note, let me move this out of the way. If you do a lookup, it goes to Dino the Park, and this is basically to find out the information. And then it goes to Dino Dot, and then if you go to the website, it has, you know, I've been expires on June 14th, updated. But my suggestion, make sure you block and report this account. And that's an update on Mr. Logan and Call. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notification. Thank you, and I will continue to track this person as well. Thank you, and have a nice day.